Understanding Artery of Unity, a deep dive into language. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, Artery of Unity. This isn't just a lesson on vocabulary, but also on how language can paint vivid pictures and convey deeper meanings. Let's dive in. Artery of Unity is a metaphorical expression. An artery in the human body is a major blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart to various parts of the body. It's essential for life and connectivity. Metaphorically, an artery of unity refers to something that acts as a crucial connection or binding force within a community or between different entities, promoting unity and togetherness. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. Political context. In politics, an artery of unity might refer to a policy or initiative that brings people together for a common cause. 2. Cultural context. In cultural discussions, it could be a tradition or festival that unites diverse groups. 3. Geographical context. Geographically, it could describe a road or bridge that links different regions, fostering unity. Understanding metaphors like artery of unity helps in comprehending the richness of the English language. Metaphors allow us to use familiar concepts, like an artery, to understand and describe more abstract ideas, like unity. I hope this exploration of the phrase, artery of unity, has been enlightening and enjoyable. Language is not just about words. It's about the images and meanings those words can convey. Keep learning and exploring, and I'll see you in our next video. Stay curious.